Hi everyone, today I will be sharing 4 face packs that will help in removing your tan. Starting with the day packs, the ingredients of first face pack are: first of all, you have to take 1 teaspoon of ground floor. After this, add 1 teaspoon of curd. Next, I am adding a pinch of turmeric in it. Now add 4 to 5 drops of honey. And lastly, 4 to 5 drops of lemon. Do not use these face packs if you have active acne on your face. Now mix it well and make a smooth paste of it. Here I have made a smooth paste of it without any lumps. Apply this face pack all over your face, including your neck. Turmeric and lemon are great source of antioxidants for the skin. Besan removes all the impurities from the skin. Curd and honey add glow to the skin. One thing I want to say here is that these home remedies take time to show their results. If you are applying this one day and you are asking for the results second day, it won't happen at all. You have to be patient, you have to be consistent, only then you can get the good results. Scrub it off after it dries and you can apply this pack once in a week. Keep this pack for 15 minutes and wash. Moving towards the second pack of the day, ingredients are multani mitti, tomato and rose water. Add 1 teaspoon of multani mitti. Next I am squeezing fresh tomato juice. Now I am adding 9 to 10 drops of rose water and mix it. Keep it aside for 5 minutes and then apply it on your face with the help of a brush. Multani mitti purifies the skin by pulling out all the dirt and impurities from your skin. Tomato has the anti-aging properties and helps in maintaining the balance of the skin. Rose water keeps your skin hydrated and adds glow to your face by removing all the tan. Apply this face pack once in a week and keep it for 20 to 25 minutes and wash. For the next face pack, you need aloe vera, lemon and glycerin. First of all, I am taking aloe vera gel. Then add 5 to 6 drops of lemon in it and remove all the seeds of lemon from it. Next I am taking 4 to 5 drops of glycerin. Now I am crushing aloe vera pulp so that it can be easily used on the face. Aloe vera can easily remove your tan. If you use it week by week, you can see the visible results. Glycerin works from the deeper layers of your skin and locks the moisture in. Lemon fades the tan as it has the bleaching properties. Apply this mask by massaging on your face. Aloe vera may react in the sunlight, so the best time to use this face mask is in the evening or during the night. You can use this mask every alternative day. After it dries, you can wash it off after 15 to 20 minutes or you can keep it overnight. Last but the most effective of all, you just need a teaspoon of malai and add few drops of lemon in it. Mix it well and it is ready to use. Do not use lemon daily, always use this pack on the alternative days basis. After mixing it well, you can apply it on your face. I always use this pack before going to bed. Massage your face well. It will also reduce the blackening of your knuckles and you can also apply it on your elbows and your hands. For better results, use it overnight. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.